There you go. Say it again.
Riding in the grass!
Where are we gonna go?
Riding in the grass!
You ready?
Yes!
Whoa!
Do that
Here we
again!
go.
Woo! I need a camera stabilizer.
Look where we are.
Awesome.
Where are we?
We're in the grass.
Awesome!
We're at the field. This is where the houses are going. This is where Aunt Holly and Uncle PJ's house
That's a
is.
big bump.
Whoa! And there's whiplash for Lucas. He's like, yep, my brain's not attached anymore. Thanks a lot, Aunt Holly.
Yeah, I know, right? You're the best. Oh my god, oh my god.
I see the fourth seat.
We'll try to get as close as we can to them.
They're far, they're in the other.
Hey, Joe. To smile.
It's a smile.
The horsies are sleeping.
Is that a smile? Oh, they're so tired. We're gonna go in the pond.
Yeah, let's go in the pond.
Take it easy on you that time.
Holly, let's go in the pond.
So Billy Currington
That
is
might not be a
heading
good
to
idea.
New Orleans to shoot the video for this new song. And
Yes,
he
I
thought
want to go in the
New Orleans
pond.
sounded like a holy place.
Maybe when it's warmer.
Yeah.